Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can join a private group on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in your group, or like be in groups here next to the home, and right here I gotta see suggested groups. And I know this one here. And you can like discover, and it's really the same with a private groups as it with normal ones. You can go like with a YouTube, let's just find some private group. And you can see here it's private. Only members can see who is in the group and what they post. Join group. Choose how to join a group with a profile or with a page. So this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.